What's going on, guys? It's your friendly neighborhood camera guy, Yak Almighty here, and today we got a new backpack for you guys. Now this video is not sponsored by anything. I've been doing a lot of research and trying to find the perfect backpack for me, and hopefully this backpack I got is the perfect backpack, or else we're gonna have to deal with returning it and everything. But the reason why I'm getting a new backpack is, first of all, because I had this GoGro backpack for the past 2 years that I've been using. And even though it served me fine, I was never that happy with it. I don't even know why I picked this like color scheme on it. I don't think it looks that good. But recently it like started ripping like right over here on the top compartment. Like the stitching on it like started like ripping away, so that's unacceptable. You know, I have very expensive, you know, audio equipment usually on the top, so I don't want that stuff, you know, falling out or anything while I'm like walking around in New York City. So that's one of the huge reasons why I'm getting a new backpack. And also this one's just not that big. Like with this camera bag, I can pretty much put, you know, one camera body, which is usually the A7R3, and then put like 2 or 3 lenses. Like I can maybe squeeze like 3 lenses in here. So right now I'm looking for a backpack that's gonna be allowing me to put 2 bodies in and then 3 lenses in there comfortably, and then maybe put some accessories in it. And hopefully the backpack we got right in here is the bag. So what am I trying to put in there? So what I'm trying to put in there is trying to get a Sony FS5 in there, of course with the handle and the side grip taken out, and also put a camera body, which is going to be the A7R3, but I'm shooting with it right now. So instead we're just going to be using the Canon 1D Mark II to see if I can fit it in there. And the 3 lenses that I'm going to be putting in are the Tamron 17-28, which is we got right here, 17-28 we got right here, and then the 28-75, and then a 70-200 or 180 lens right here. So we can get the whole trinity of the lenses in there. And good thing I got the Tamron version, which are very small compared to the original Sony versions. So hopefully I should be able to fit them in there. But anyways, besides like talking all the time, let's first see how this backpack is. Also, we got a laptop in here too, right here. I know you guys probably want to see the backpack and I'm like talking in my ass off, but we also have a laptop that we're gonna try to put in there. So let's see. All right, so let's unbox this thing. Oh, so it comes in this plastic bag. Actually, I'm not gonna rip the bag just in case if I have to return this. Boom, here's the backpack. I really like the design of this backpack. That's one of the reasons I got it, because it's kind of low-key, where it just kind of looks like a military type of backpack. But I didn't want to get something that looks like super fancy or anything, because one of the reasons why I'm getting a backpack is because like I'm doing a lot of work in New York City, and right now New York City is not the safest spot in the world, so I don't want to get something, you know, super fancy and then get mugged or something. So I want to get something low-key that, you know, you can just walk around with. My cat's like attacking the box right now. But so let's open this up. So we got the top compartments right here. Oh, so this has like some pouches inside. Interesting. Okay, so we got a pouch. Is this connected to it? Oh, I gotta rip this off. So what is this? It has a pouch with like a bunch of different components. So it has a tripod sign on it. Interesting. I'm guessing this is for like putting like a mini tripod or something. I don't know. But it comes with, I guess, a pouch so you can just put like different, like your SD cards or your batteries. I think you might also be able to put these on the side of the backpack, because there's a bunch of accessories that you can get with this for this backpack that you can like attach to it, like your water bottle or your tripod and stuff. Okay, so it comes with these pouches. Honestly, this might be a bonus or something. I don't know. I don't know how these things work. Kind of did a lot of research on like trying to get a backpack, but then I just kind of gave up and just like bought one that was like the easiest on Amazon. And okay, so let's open up. So this is like the top pouch, I guess. You can just like throw stuff at the top, because I know the main thing about this camera bag is that the whole thing kind of opens up, which is what I wanted. So it opens from the back actually. So let's open this up. Now this opens up and boom, we got a lot of space now. we got a lot of space. So yeah, so we can still have the pouch right here, so we can put stuff in there. But they give you a lot of compartments. I think I'll be able to fit everything in. The FS5 is gonna be the trickiest thing to fit in here. But okay, so we also have our laptop compartment here. I don't know if my laptop's gonna fit in there. I mean, it honestly might. It's gonna be a tight fit, but we might be able to fit it in there. But what else we got? So we got the side stuff. So we have like a little side compartment to put stuff in there. And then we have this front segment. And this is just a side access. So if you put your camera in here, you can just easily take it out. But I never use these. And we have another side access from this side. We got this stuff is just falling all over. But I think that's it. So now I'm gonna just cut the video and we're gonna try putting all this gear in here and see if it actually fits. So we got everything in here pretty much. Of course I have like other accessories and everything that I gotta fit in. But as you can see, I mean like pretty much everything fits in here. Now we got our FS5, which is going to be the A7R3 right here, and then we got our 3 lenses here. I can put in even way more lenses, probably like at least 2 or 3 more I could probably fit in here. But I'm going to be putting other accessories in here also, like probably some lav mics or like some ND filters and stuff I gotta put in here. But I think everything will just like fit in here pretty easily. And then we can just close this up and boom, we got everything over here. Of course it's heavy as hell, but we got everything in there now. Because usually I would have to bring my Pelican Air case, which is a giant, briefcase to bring stuff around, but now I can just put it all in this backpack and it all fits. So I tried putting the laptop in here also, but unfortunately I have a big bulky gaming laptop that I use for all my video editing and doing photography editing. And unfortunately this is just like way too big and thick to like fit in here. But the sad part is that it actually kind of almost fits in here. Here, look. Like I can like put it in there, but then like the tip of it just like, it just doesn't close. And even if it did, it's just too big. This laptop pouch right here seems to be, it's more for like one of those like, here, just get it out. It seems more like for like either like a slim MacBook or like a tablet. So that's one thing that sucks, is that the laptop part is kind of small. I think that this laptop actually fit inside my older backpack, which was a little bit smaller, but this one actually had like a whole like pouch area for it. As you can see, it was a lot bigger for it to like fit stuff in. And this one is just way too small. So if you're gonna get this backpack and if you have a big laptop like me and you want to carry with you, it's not gonna work. Personally, it's not that big of a deal for me because I don't usually bring my laptop with me, but it is a problem. So yeah, if you have a big laptop like me, what you're gonna have to do is just get another bag for your laptop, which sucks, so you can't just do everything in this backpack. But this is just more for just bringing my gear with me. And now at the bottom of this backpack, we do have, it says AV cover, but it's like your weather cover thing right over here. And this backpack seems like pretty protected, but it still has like the nylon cover thing for it. So you can just take it out of here. And then you can just cover your backpack so that, if it starts pouring, raining, then you can just cover your backpack. I did it wrong way. You're gonna go from here, and then you can just cover everything, and everything is protected, which I like about this backpack, because with my older backpack, the cover would just come out as like a plastic bag and you would put it over it. But this one is like connected to the backpack, so you're not gonna end up losing it. And there we go, guys. So this is the Lowepro 450 ProTactic BP 450 AV2 backpack. It does everything I wanted to do. I believe you can also attach a tripod to it. I think it's through this like pouch thing you can do it. But I mean, it's very versatile. It feels very sturdy. And also, I just noticed that like at the top here, you have places where you can like store SD cards and everything. I mean, it's very cool. You know, it's definitely very thought out. Now, if you want to get this backpack, click on the link in the description on Amazon. You can get this. I got this around I think it's normally $250, but I think I got it on discount for like $220. So I mean, I'm very happy with my purchase. And that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel. I make camera related videos pretty much every week. But anyways guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.